Good morning! Magandang umaga! Mayong buntag, everyone! Ayan na ang aming second room. Ang haligi. Ano na sila dyan, nagbuhos ng semento para sa haligi ng aming second room at tsaka sa aming veranda. Ayan. Balik sila trabaho ngayon. Hindi sila nagtrabaho kahapon kasi Sunday, rest day ng mga trabahante. Ngayon is Monday, guys. Yeah? Wow! Ngayon is Monday. And it's another exciting day for me, guys. Kasi mag-aaral ako ng scuba diving ngayong araw. Kaming dalawa ni Eugene, kung naalala niyo si Eugene, yung kaibigan namin na lagi kasama namin pag free diving. Mag-aaral kami ng scuba diving. Actually, in-enroll ako ni Dimitri. Siya yung may gusto talaga na mag-enroll ako ng scuba diving. Kasi gusto niya na pag magda-diving kami, magda-diving siya, makakasama ako para ma-ano ko rin. Ma-experience ko rin and then additional knowledge. Kasi malapit kami dito sa Marine Sanctuary, dito sa Darwin Negros Oriental. And gusto niya nga na marunong din akong mag-scuba diving. So, today is the first day of our scuba diving lesson. Ngayong araw na to mga theories lang about scuba diving, and then maybe on second day magda-dive na kami. Here we going to a resort actually. Sierra Resort. They have a scuba diving school here sa Darwin lang din. Ang pangalan ay Critter Hunter. I think some of you will know Critter Hunter kasi nagvo-vlog din siya. I think American yata siya. And he's vlogging about scuba diving and underwater here in Philippines. So, doon kami mag-aaral sa kanyang diving shop. And before we go there, guys, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Niluluto si Dimitri dito ng breakfast. Leftover Jollibee from last night. Avocados and eggs and bread. Your chick. Naguba. Look, naguba. Where is naguba?
Flower, look.
This one, naguba.
No, it's not Cuba. Look.
This one.
Boom.
Don't do that to our bottles, okay?
Last one.
Maybe he will do that to our bottles or our glass there. What happened here? Wow, may bunga ng aking mga okra. Harvest na dyan ko ani po. So this is Sierra Resort. Nandun yung Critter Republic, yung diving shop. Yuri is ready to swim. Are you ready to swim? Yeah?
I gonna.
You gonna jump?
What?
Maliligo sila Yuri ng swimming pool dito. While waiting for me. Kasi mga alas 3 until 3 p.m. pa ako dito mag-study ng Critter Republic. By Critter Hunter. You really like the puppy. That's Pomeranian. 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 Yuri, be gentle, okay? Yuri, your chick. Yuri is super happy. Gusto niya ang puppy na maliit dito.
Allah,
Name
Все
here.
прочитал.
And then
Initial signature.
Диман. На что ты мне подписал?
I thought he will not study actually. I thought you will not study. I thought it's just me and Eugene. So he decided to study. So Maxim will also study with us. Three of us here. That's our instructor.
Я сразу же только когда буду учиться, я сразу такой штуку захотел. У меня есть миниатюры и маленькие.
Okay, we're done with our first chapter discussion about scuba diving. We'll have a break, 5 minutes break to do something, to eat snacks and to use the bathroom or the toilet. It's free coffee. Is it free?
No, he said we can bring something.
Okay, it's free. We have free coffee.
Mama,
Wow.
I want ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Yeah, I want ice
He wants ice cream, Papa.
Yeah, ice cream.
Let's choose ice cream.
Yeah, Mama.
You don't eat in the pool. Ayaw siya pa ka na swimming pool, ha? Dito pala naligo si Yuri sa swimming pool. Ay, dire.
Dire dai. Sila mi kuan, nakabasa ko ari hala.
Ayaw, abot dire. Dito na jud mo sa nang hagdan na hagdan.
Мороженое. В бассейне поплавал.
Lunch break. Si Yuri tapos na maligo sa swimming pool. Naligo siya this whole time na nag-discuss kami about free diving. No, not free diving, scuba diving. Later, babalik kami for another chapter for theories of scuba diving and then mag-fit ng mga equipment. Nag-discuss kami about equipment sa scuba diving, about sa physiology, physical changes of your body kapag nasa underwater ka, and a lot of things about scuba diving, safety and theories. Lunchtime here at the local Asian food.
Ты видел? Вова.
Spice eggplant.
Eggplant. Imo na, imo na.
На самом деле довольно быстро сделали.
Lami. Okay, we're done with the theories. We're done with the theories, guys. So, we're gonna fit. Mag-fit kami dito ng aming mga diving equipments. Mine is red?
Yep.
Oh, this is mine.
Which is mine? Pink?
Regardless of which one.
Orange.
This is. So what do you feel? You excited?
Oh, I feel exhausted.
I actually feels the same when I started.
And
It's okay. It's
too
well.
much information. Information overload in my brain.
Next step is just practice sometimes, at least once a month.
And I'm tired writing.
What you type, right?
Writing. He becomes crazy already. TikTok. So, bukas guys, kami, practical, tawag doon? We will do diving here sa pool. Mag-practice kaming mag-diving dito bukas. What?
I
Enough
asked him
running.
to just like Akba that you're crying.
Yuri!
Act like
Catch. I cannot catch it, but he keeps on running. It's okay. You don't have to catch it.
just stay.
Just stay. It will not.
And then we're going to
Okay. Just stay there and the puppy will come to you.
Lo.
Tagal naming natapos, mga alas 5:30 na ngayon. Alright guys, it's time to go home na. Balik naman kami dito bukas 8:30 for practical diving.
Ning-ning.
Good morning guys.
No, what that?
Good morning everyone.
Ate.
It's another
Ning-ning.
exciting day for us.
Посмотрите, вообще даже в Америку могли
Kasi
бы.
magpa-practical diving kami sa swimming pool today at pagka-perfect namin yung mga exams.
Ning-ning.
Ning Ning, we're here now.
Bye-bye.
We're heading to the shopping community.
Bye-bye, Ningning. Cute man kasi Ningning sa yung
Bye.
Na sila kanon eh.
Yung mga
Bye.
Babete.
Bye-bye, ate. Mga kapitbahay naming mga bata, nagbabay si Yuri kasi punta nila silang school. So, pag-perfect namin yung sa pool today guys, mag scuba diving kami sa dagat na talaga. So, it's a bit scary.
I'm not scared.
But you told me today, you asked me
No.
but you asked me, you're not scared,
Show
but
me
you look
video
like
when I
scared.
show
But you
the-
look like scared. I'm a bit worried, scared, and excited. But I know it's gonna be fun, so here we go! Let's go, let's do this! But we trust our instructor because, you know guys, yung instructor namin, nakapag-dive na siya ng more than 5,000 dives sa buhay niya. Super amazing talaga. Nag-ano din siya, as in, matagal na din siya natuturo ng scuba diving. So, sa scuba diving namin, open water yung inenrolan namin. Ang bayad doon is 18,000 sa Critter Republic dito sa Darwin. Critter Republic na diving shop. And yeah, 18,000 for one course. Yun nga, open water na course. Yuri! So silly boy. Why you become so silly na? You become so silly na? Say hi! We're here at the diving shop, diving resort.
Quack.
Kwa kwa. Magsi-swimming, mag-scuba diving si Mama today, Yuri. You gonna watch Mama at the swimming pool, okay? Mama will do scuba diving today. You're gonna watch me, okay? Si Yuri, magsi-swimming siya sa dagat. Sa beach lang sila ni Lenlen. Kasi gagamitin namin yung swimming pool ngayong araw. Ready na ang aming oxygen tank. Coffee muna. Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's go.
So confident. Yeah. Let's do this.
Of course.
Are you ready? Max is so confident. He said, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Remember yesterday? Did you want to try?
Like that?
Like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
It's better. Papa, change my clothes. Papa, change my clothes.
Go change it.
Sometimes it's too tight. So no smell meaning good.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Okay. Hands up. Okay. Yes. No problem. Okay. Ready? Go. Can do firefighter. Make sure inflated. You're also inflated.
Panic attack. What?
Just a little bit food.
Yeah.
This is so funny. so much pancit.
No, it's not enough for me. Just a little snack.
In Philippines, it would be for one big family. So white. I put sunscreen on my face. Okay, ready for open water? We're going to the ocean, under the ocean. It's so scary. You think we're gonna be okay?
Yeah. Sure.
Please.
We're all gonna die.
Dive, not dive. Dive.
Okay, die.
So guys, pag ano na kami, so na kami mag-scuba diving sa dagat, sa ilalim. I'm excited at nakakatakot. Actually, I think we'll be fine. I think. Ayan, sila Yuri at Linlen kumakain ng lunch. Tapos na kami kumain ng lunch. Sila Yuri, Linlen at Dimitri, uuwi sila sa bahay. Papatulugin yan si Yuri. Tapos babalik na lang sila dito maya para i-pick up kami. Yeah, I'm gonna go swimming. You Bilin here. I'm gonna go.
Tomorrow, balik na diri Linlen.
Alright. See you later, guys. We have to prepare now for our dive.
Все, готовится к морю. Первый выход в море. Yeah, sit. Up, eh? Yeah.
That's so heavy.
Sit. Sit, sit.
No, I cannot sit.
Okay, just stand. Or you have stand.
Yuri! Ano, nagkalatan pala ko na. Change mo mga.
Alright.
A few moments later.
So, we're done. How was it, guys?
Good. Very, very good.
I like it. It's so amazing when you can go so
I like
deep
this end of
and you still breathing.
But you did
But
something wrong.
yeah, I did something wrong. I hold my breath. I didn't know I hold my breath. I didn't know this actually. In free diving you shouldn't in scuba diving you shouldn't hold your breath. And in free diving I am a free diver and I'm used to holding my breath because in free
I'm cold in my breath, but a little more than one.
yeah, I think I hold just a little, not like I even try to so I go down like I exhale but I didn't go down. I just keep going up.
Because you had to.
I don't know what
I
happened.
have the same, but I'm exhale. Yeah.
Yeah, I exhale and I go down. Yeah, usually when you exhale, you go down. But I don't know what
But
happened.
not just now. You exhale and when?
Okay, so tomorrow again. Last day tomorrow. Okay, we'll ask Dimitri to pick us up kasi umuwi si Dimitri kanina. Hinatid niya si Yuri. Yuri, you pick Mama up? You pick me up here? Uy,
He sleep
he slept?
in car. I drive them around. We just go
Only
there
in
and
car?
go asleep. And
What
I
about
make,
at home?
And I make big circle to drive.
What about at home? He didn't sleep?
No, but
Короче, вот без этой всей хуйни нормально.
Когда будет еще в бассейне, это капец жарко. Бассейн. Okay? Ну, что случилось, малыш?
Yuri. Yuri, what happened to your forehead? Yan, na-disgrasya si Yuri, guys. Nagpunta kami ng hospital kanina kasi na ano si Yuri. Disgrasya siya sa hagdanan. Sobrang dami ng dugo kanina. Lumabas dyan sa kanyang forehead. Kasi sobrang laki niyan. Bumuka talaga yung wound niya. Sobrang laki. Kaya hindi ako nakatapos ng diving. Supposedly, tapos na sana kaming mag-diving ngayon. Graduation namin ngayon. Sila lang ni Max at Eugene ang natapos. Kasi si Yuri, dinala namin sa hospital kanina. Buti na lang okay na siya. Sobrang takot ko kanina, guys, kasi bumuka talaga yung wound niya. Sobrang malaki, mga 1 inch siguro, tapos sobrang lalim. Ang daming dugo na lumabas. Hindi ko alam ang mangyari sa kanya dun sa may hagdanan, kasi nung time na yun, kakatapos lang namin mag first dive. Tapos hindi siya nakita ni Linlen na umakyat dun sa mga 2 steps lang naman yung hagdanan, pero ewan ko, parang na pag step siguro niya sa isang paa niya, hindi umabot sa yun sa may hagdan. Tapos na-slide siya, tapos tumama yung noo niya dun sa may edge ng hagdanan na tiles. Kaya ayan, meron siyang, hindi naman siya tinahi ng doktor, nilagyan lang siya ng parang medical glue. Hindi siya tinahi
Малыш,
kasi nga
как у
bata
тебя
pa
с
siya.
головой
Bawal-
сейчас?
Hindi pwedeng tahiin. Mahirap. Kaya nilagyan ng glue, pang medical glue.
Я думаю, это он не понял. Голова.
Bukas ipapaano namin siya,
Личика,
CT scan.
yeah.
Pero nung nangyari yun, hindi naman siya
Udaryo
nagsuka,
lичика.
hindi din siya nawala ng malay, normal lang after.
Дай укусить.
Medyo yung lips niya parang nag-ano lang na, nawala ng dugo, parang purple. Hindi naman purple. Pero okay na si Yuri. Okay na ka, Yuri? You good now? Ate, doctor, help close your wound? He's Yuri again. Oh, Yuri, magkakascar ka na, Yuri. Sana
Maxim said have some special
for scar
yeah,
treatment, like what? Some cream?
yeah, like cream you put when it's healed already.
You put right
every day.
away? Every day? Okay, we're gonna buy that cream for Yuri. Kasi ayoko na magka-scar si Yuri. Sayang yung ano niya, clear
Cream
skin
is
niya.
hot. That is
Bukas, we're gonna bring Yuri to CT scan. Tomorrow. CT scan?
yeah.
I think we should do it. The doctor said actually everything is normal because he didn't
And we
collapse, he didn't vomit.
and we just visit doctor.
But anyway, we have to go there
We need to ask
to make sure.
how to wash.
Yan guys, dito na disgrasya si Yuri kahapon guys. Oh, dito natama yung ulo niya sa may tiles. Sobrang ano nito. Sobrang matulis. Wala kasing parang rubber na pang nilagay dito. Ganyan lang. Super matulis. So dito siguro siya na slide. Pag ano niya dito, hindi umabot yung paa niya. Slide siya pag ganyan siguro. Tapos dito tumama yung ulo niya. Yan, may dugo pa ni Yuri dito. Si Linlin, nasa likod lang niya si Linlin. Hindi siya nakita kaagad ni Linlin. Wala na. Nung nakita siya ni Linlin, too late na. Tumama na yung ulo niya dyan sa may tiles. Ay, napakadelikado. Sobrang takot ko talaga kahapon. Daming dugo na lumabas. Buti na lang okay na siya ngayon. Andun siya sa loob, doon na siya maglalaro doon sa loob ng office. Actually, dyan naman talaga siya sa loob naglalaro. Tapos nung time kasi na yun, kakatapos lang namin mag first dive ng mga kasama ko. Tapos kakalatag ko lang ng mga diving equipments noon. Tapos lumabas sila Yuri at Linlin. Tapos mga ilang seconds lang talaga. Dito ako nakatayo, kami ni Dimitri, kasi nung paglapag ko tinulungan ako ni Dimitri maglapag ng mga gamit ko, yung mga diving equipments kasi mabigat. Tapos lumapit si Yuri dito tsaka si Linlin, and then a few seconds lang nagpunta siguro si Yuri doon. Pag akyat niya dyan sa sa hagdanan, wala na, надисграшена.
Сегодня день, когда мама одна пошла. Сегодня наступил следующий день. Мы с Юрчиком без Лем-Лем сегодня. Юрчик уже грязный. Покажи свою ранку, как у тебя. Ну ничего, заживет до свадьбы, как говорится. Мороженку, да, так поел? Все, мама пошла дайвить. Сегодня она закончит. Курс тоже. Будем ее здесь ждать.
A few moments later.
Так, мама вернулась. Камки. А мы с Юрчиком играем в бильярд.
No, I'm playing. We got my
No. No.
I don't know.
Чем такое?
Are you not gonna congratulate me?
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Yay!
You are open water scuba diver.
Yeah, certified. Certified. I don't know, it's online. I think you will.
You are registered?
Yeah, I already registered.
You upload your photo?
Show me.
You
Show them my.
I show you.
Where
in
is
your
it?
phone.
Ah, okay. I will show you guys my certification for open water scuba diving.
Вот он, сертификат.
No one for me.
Марк Леонард Карион. Инструктор.
My face. My face. Whoa. Spike.
Spike. He called it Spike. The sea urchin. It's Yuri, it was sea urchin, not Spike. Whoa,
Papa, I
Spike.
want to watch your phone. I want to watch your phone, Papa.
Maybe you wash your hands first.
No?
Малыш, не трогай.
Okay?
Юрий, not okay.
We need to go to... Oh. What's that? What's that is going to?
Sige, watch your phone. Oy, enough na phone.
This one. Go.
Enough phone for today.
No, not this.
Magandang gabi, guys. It's already evening, dark here outside. Si Dimitri, nagtatrabaho siya dun sa loob ng aming bahay. May meeting siya. Si Maxim naman, may tinatrabaho din siya. Ako dito, mag-grill ako. Nag-grill ako dito ng pork belly. Kasi nag-request si Maxim na mag-ihaw-ihaw daw kami. And also, celebration na rin namin to sa pagtatapos namin ng scuba diving na course. Kanina kasi natapos na ako kanina. Si Max at Sak, tsaka si Eugene kahapon pa. Ako kanina lang ako natapos kasi nga may nangyari kay Yuri kahapon. Si Yuri naman, guys, natutulog na doon sa kwarto. Ayan. Itong mga kamatis, ganito, onion, sibuyas, tsaka siling espada. At ito, gagawin ko itong pangsawsawan sa aming grilled pork.